Why do you suggest that guitar players should not learn songs? This makes absolutely no sense. Okay, so here's something I get asked all the time, and I think it's time to clarify this and why this is happening and what is exactly that I say. Once again, I'm not talking about a random guitar player. You should, if you just want to learn a song, just by all means go and learn it, go have it. You can do whatever you want. It's not up to me to tell you what you're going to do with your music, your guitar, your life, or anything like that. However, and this is a very important distinction, if someone asks me for my advice as a guitar coach who's been doing it for over 25 years and asks me, I have limited time to practice, I want to get better, what songs should I learn? I would definitely tell him, don't learn songs. This is not what's going to get you better. You have to do other things that's going to give you the skill set and the ability to become a better player, and then with these new abilities you should be playing songs after that, but not in the beginning. So if you're focused on developing your playing, you should be practicing things like your technique. And the technique is something that you will use in all different songs in the future. You should be learning about theory, you should be practicing your vocabulary, you should be practicing your improvisational skills. Also, when you're learning a song, since you don't really know if it is at your level or not, and why do you not know that? Because you did not choose it because it is at your level. You chose it because you like the song, you like how it sounds, it resonates with you. So it might be a much easier song that what you could play, or the worst case scenario, it might be much harder than what you can play. And why is that a problem? Honestly, if it is an easier song, it's not a problem. You just will waste a little bit of time learning it, you will have fun, it's all good. If it is a much harder song, a lot of things can go wrong. The most important one, you can get hurt while trying to do that. It's the same way like going to the gym. If you can lift 100 pounds and someone gives you a much easier weight, like 50 pounds, then there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, you might waste a training session, it's all good. But if you can lift 100 pounds and someone gives you a barbell or a dumbbell loaded with 150 pounds, which is 50% more than what you can lift, then there is very strong chance that you might get hurt trying to lift that. Now, of course, this is not so cut and dry with the music and with guitar and with the song, but still, I have been witness to several people getting hurt because they were trying to play a song that was much more difficult than what they were able to play at the time. And that means getting tendonitis, getting carpal tunnel syndrome, and things like that, which kept them off their practicing for quite some time, for a few months. And in a couple of cases, actually, now that I think about it, it's more than a couple, probably around 5 cases, they actually had to give up guitar because of that. So this is the reason why I say, this is actually one of the very main reasons why I say, don't focus on songs. If you're enjoying this show and you want to be notified whenever a new video comes out, make sure you press subscribe right here, okay? And also press the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time we release a new video. And now, let's go back to our regular episode. So, no learning, no songs, nothing like that? No, that's not the case. But you need to learn them in a progressive way, in a progressive model. So, for example, in my coaching, in the academy that I have, Elite Guitar Coaching Academy, we have over 60 songs that the guitar players will learn during the course of their study. And this will be, each song will be for a specific thing or for a couple of specific things that are necessary to learn to play that song. So let me give you an example. There is this very nice song by the late Gary Moore called Parisian Walkaways. And this is a great song to practice your bends and your vibrato when you're doing bends. So when it is the right time, this will be the song that the guitar player, the student, will learn. So that he can learn a song, a very nice, famous song, but also develop his bending and vibrato technique. And the same thing goes with several other songs. So we do learn songs, and you should learn, but not randomly. Once again, I don't want to give the wrong idea. You should do whatever you want and whatever you feel comfortable with. However, if in the course of your guitar playing you hit a wall and you cannot get any better, then you should start thinking on what you might be doing wrong. And this is the right time to start asking people that are professionals on this field, so guitar coaches, guitar teachers, people who know what they're doing, not on just playing the guitar, but on teaching the guitar. And those people, if they're good enough, they might be able to help you pinpoint some things that you might be doing wrong. And one of the things that you might be doing wrong is exactly that. You might be trying to play songs that are harder than your current level, or you might be wasting a lot of time just playing songs instead of practicing the rest of the stuff that's going to help you with your guitar playing abilities. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, don't forget, like, subscribe, and make sure you send me any questions you want answered. Bye-bye.